In the next 12 months, the top earners won't be marketers, programmers, or salespeople. They will be the AI-powered users. That's why today I'm breaking the 9 AI skills with the biggest income potential. Stick with me because the last one in this list have the highest earning potential. This isn't just another ChatGPT tutorial. It's the blueprint to master AI. If you're still watching me and haven't subscribed to my channel, please do me a favor and hit that subscribe button so I can keep making more videos like this for you. Let's start with skill number 1, prompt engineering. Income potential, $50 to $100 per hour. The way you talk to AI is as valuable as coding was in the 2000s. If you don't know how to talk to AI, you only get average results. Garbage in, garbage out. Here's my 4-part structure for powerful prompting. First, define the role. Tell the AI who to be. Is he a lawyer, a designer, or a marketer? Secondly, provide the data the AI will need to do the job. Give examples so the AI has context to work from. Third, make the ask. Tell the AI exactly what you want. Be ultra clear about what you want. And finally, request the format. How you want the AI to present the output. Bullet points, PDF, spreadsheet, or summary. Tell it how you want the output to look like. That's how you unlock better answers, get better results, grow your business, gain more customers, and make more money. Here's how you can apply your newly acquired skills by applying my prompt framework. You can offer prompt writing services on platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. You can also sell prompt packages for industries like marketing or law. All you have to do is to research the pain points of those industries and design prompts that solve those problems with AI. Be the AI translator for industries who don't know how to talk to AI. Skills number 2 is AI-assisted software development. Earning potential here is between $100 and $200 per hour. With tools like Resplit, Cursor, Retool, anyone can create working prototypes. So, how do you start applying these skills and earning money? Build simple SaaS tools and charge subscriptions. Help non-technical founders turn ideas into MVPs. Skill number 3 is AI designs. Earning potential here is between $100 to $200 per hour. AI has completely changed design the way we know it. What used to take hours in Photoshop now takes minutes with the right prompts. Here's how you can start earning money today with these skills. Create logos, mockups, or art creative for businesses. Sell AI-generated stock images online. Or you can even offer full web design packages with Figma plus AI plugins. Number 4 is video editing. Earning potential is between $100 to $200 per hour. Editing is no longer a technical skill. AI handles the grind. Now it's all about creativity. You can start earning money today from this skill by clipping podcasts into short-form content for TikTok or YouTube. Create AI avatars or explainer videos for brands. Skill number 5 is AI writing. Earning potential here is between $100 to $200 an hour. AI isn't here to replace your words. It's here to amplify your thought. Here's how you can start earning money by applying the skills. Offer blog, email, or art copy service with AI assistant. Build custom GPT trained in a brand voice. Turn long transcripts like podcast into newsletters or social media posts. Skill number 6, AI content marketing. Potential lies between $200 to $300 an hour. Think of Arnold Schwarzenegger's Pop Club, a newsletter, a podcast, all AI powered. You can apply these skills to make you money by running content systems for entrepreneurs and influencers. Skill number 7 is a very powerful one, needed by almost every company out there. No-code AI automation. Earning potential lies between $300 and $400 an hour. To apply this skill to make you money, build AI automation with Make.com, Zapier, or N8N. You can also help sales teams to automate lead generations and outreach. Charge companies for AI co-pilots. Yes, co-pilots. AI that works with humor, that can cut down workload into half. Skill number 8 is AI data analysis. Earning potential is $300 to $400 an hour. Data is the new oil. Companies are pouring huge amount of money, but most companies, they are drawing in messy spreadsheets. This is where you come in. Offer data cleanup services. Build dashboards powered by AI Insight. Number 9 is no-code AI agent development. Earning potential is $400 to $500 an hour. This is already the highest paid skill today. AI agents are like digital employee. They work 24/7. No break, no complaint. To start earning from this skill, build AI sales agents to qualify leads. Create AI support agents for websites and apps. Offer subscription packages where you build and maintain agents. Here's the truth. AI won't take your job, but someone who knows how to use AI absolutely will. Don't wait. Don't hesitate. Master them now, because the future isn't slowing down. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to stay up with the AI race.